What is up, you guys? Welcome back. I'm with my boy Jared. Just met him at the store the other day and we're out ripping. Jared, let him hear this greasy triple absolutely sing. Give it to me. Oh my god, I didn't even know they made triples like these. I've only seen the four bangers, like I've been telling bro, and I just went and got my tire done on the 650 and I'm seeing them all in the dealership. I'm like, crap, I might need one. Look at this. Sticker ain't even all the way off the tire yet. We're about to change that. We don't even know we're ripping. We're gonna go see the boys at the storage unit real quick down the street and really just see what Jared's bike's all about. This is the first time we've really ridden together. Just had to come back, get my helmet, get geared up. Let's wait for this white car and we'll hit it. Oh, it's a ripper. Look at that thing. Listen to that thing. Probably right around 10 years, and one of my favorite spots to cruise by up here is the waving man. We can't forget the wave. Make sure to wave as you're cruising out. We're sitting in the hot sun chatting with the boys for a minute. I'm getting hot, hot, hot. Oh, that quick shifter is nasty. It sounds so good. But it is very warm this afternoon, and we're parched after hanging out with the boys for a few minutes, so we're gonna go get some ice cream or some. I've been trying to keep steady on uploading on Fridays, but I've been busy for the past couple weeks with a holiday and the bike being down. We're just getting her put together when the video is supposed to be dropping tonight. Look at this thing on wide, brother. He on rubber bands. Let's see. What is this bike called? A Triumph what?
Triple.
Street Triple. I like it.
Control is on too.
It's on. So yeah, turn that off for me.
Kind of a thing. There we go. Like set up right there. Control. Good table. Be fucking careful, man.
I will. All right, let's see what we got here. Let's see what we got in our hands. Okay. Oh my goodness. Loop does like. Oh yeah. That feels good. This thing's got so much revs. Oh, dude. Bro's got this. He definitely needs to get some cages on here so he can practice with no worries. But man, this is what a beautiful bike. Feels good. Just power wheelies. I'm being honest. Oh, and you can see your gear. What a wonderful bike. Thank you, Jared, for letting me take this thing for a spin, brother. Thank you. Dude, that thing is a blast. Really. But dude, this thing is great. Thank you so much for letting me ride it. Oh, dude, this thing is sweet. We're gonna go get something to drink, cruise down the rest of this somewhat bumpy back road. We're running out of good pavement, so we'll catch you guys at the store. I might have to swap a GoPro battery here soon, but hope you guys are enjoying. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I love making these for you guys. It's what I want to do, so I'm ready to quit my job already, so please press that like button. All right, catch you guys in a minute. All right, we've made it. my throat is killing me. I got like a million bugs in my teeth after riding this Triumph. But we're gonna get some drinks, swap some GoPro batteries, and catch you guys in a minute. Alrighty, you guys, we're coming back rolling through town. We just finished up our ice creams. Had me a root beer float, mix of something to drink, and some ice cream there. That was green. But I was talking to you guys earlier about my ride to work yesterday and how I was cruising to work and I was going a little over the speed limit, but officer thought I was in a 45, not a 55. I was doing 65 regardless, but he decided to write me a ticket, not only for my speed, but for the fact that I had no main state inspection sticker on my car. Because it's a beater, to be honest. It's a beater. We all know it is. I bought it for cheap. Planned on running it for cheap for a while. Always getting it. And he also wrote me a ticket for my expired registration that I totally forgot about. So he got me there. But the funny thing is, as the clips you see in this video, one day before, my bike had both my girl's Kawasaki and my buddy's stun bike. Had to let bro know the cops sometimes sit there. Definitely the move. It feels so good. I think it's a Dunlop. Not even sure. Now we're on the right side of it. You guys can really hear that street triple rip. That's what I'm talking about. Yeah. That was it. He's figuring it out. Yeah, 141, we're good. We might get double cooled off because if you guys can't tell, look at the frickin' weather blowing by just over there. This way we're pointing now back into the sun is where we're headed. Running for it for sure. This is for Hunter and Charles who say I don't turn my bike. How about that, boys? Oh no! I just felt a dribble. Yeah! Charles and my boy Hunter. And we posted up by the lake, went and watched some fireworks on the boat. It was a nice night. Nobody wants to pick it back up. She's got the pep. Hey dear. Watch out for them guys out here, boys. Especially if you're riding out here in Maine. They're everywhere. Get her up the fourth and just cruise. This nasty storm. We're like, ah! The wind got me there. We're running right on the edge of the storm. Alright, we're gonna go for a bit more proper test ride, I guess. We're gonna see what this girl will actually do on a real road. Traction control is still off, perfect. Oh my gosh! Wow! Oh, this bike feels beautiful. I love it. Getting some arm pump now. Well, I think I have enough footage to put something together for you guys this week.